In the world of industry, every gram counts. A single miscalculation, a minor deviation, and entire operations can grind to a halt. From logistics to manufacturing to chemical processing, precision is not just a requirement. It is the heart that keeps everything alive. But in a landscape where accuracy decides the future, who can you trust to carry that responsibility? Who stands guard when every second, every gram, and every decision matters? ITSKO stands at the front line of this relentless battle. A name forged through dedication, expertise, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. We don't just provide weighing systems. We deliver precision-driven solutions that empower industries to move boldly into tomorrow. Our commitment extends beyond technology. Through strong collaboration with accredited testing laboratories, certification and inspection bodies, we ensure that every product surpasses the strictest standards. Because for us, reliability isn't a tagline, it's our DNA. And when unexpected challenges arise, our licensed, highly trained technicians are always ready, swift, decisive, and effective. Because in your operation, there is no room for compromise. Since 2024, ITSKO has proudly joined Manufacturing Surabaya, bringing future-ready solutions to Indonesia's industrial heart. From delicate precision baby scales to heavy-duty weigh bridges built to support the giants of progress. Every innovation designed to push boundaries and redefine what's possible. And now, we return, stronger, bolder, more determined than ever. Join us at Manufacturing Surabaya 2025 from July 16th to 19th. Step into a world where precision fuels ambition, where every gram, every movement, and every dream is weighed. Absolute confidence. Are you ready to move beyond limits?